Hello everyone, this is teacher Teresa from KIDDIKRAFT. Today we are going to do some color matching with the farm animals. Let's look at the colors first. I've got yellow, brown, white, and black. Let's start with the duck. Can you tell me what color is it? Yes, it's yellow. So let's put it on top of our yellow card. Next, I've got a horse. What color is this horse? Yes, it's brown. So I'm going to put it here on top of the brown card. Next, I've got a sheep. Can you tell me what color is it? Yes, it's white. Now, last one here, I've got a cow. Can you tell me what color is it? I can see white and I can see black. The cow is black and white. Thank you for watching.